No idea what to talk about in your videos? No problem. I've got you covered. In this video, we are talking about December video ideas. And I base these around 3 different things. So I base them around specific events that are happening in December, as well as month-long events that are happening, and then just different topics, themes, and ideas that you could potentially create content around in the month of December. Don't worry about going and grabbing a pen and paper because I've got this all pulled together for you in a sweet free download. And you not only get December, but you'll get all of 2020. Yes, welcome back to my Holly G's VIPs. If you are new to me, my name is Holly G. I am your go-to video gal, and I help leading ladies save time on both sides of the camera. And I do this by teaching them the skills they need to create business cinema video with a plan, purpose, system, and a strategy. Not just willy-nilly video. And if you want to learn more about that, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and come on over to hollygstudios.com to check out all the ways that I can help you on your video journey. Okay, so if you have December video ideas, please feel free, put them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. First up, let's cover some important dates. So December is the last month of the year. There's lots of really cool stuff happening and lots of great inspiration for content. Depending on what your business is, these may be applicable or they may be not relevant to you whatsoever. But I wanted this to be broad for everybody to be able to pull inspiration from, and you never know where you're going to get inspiration from. I'm inspired all the time by the most random things. First up, we have Cyber Monday. These are huge. Cyber Monday. We have the National Day of Giving, which is #GivingTuesday, which is on the 3rd of December 2019. December 7th, 2019 is Letter Writing Day. December 13th, 2019 is National Salesperson's Day. So all of those could be great inspiration for creating content around these anchor dates. Next up is month-long events. So in December, we have Write a Friend Month, Read a Book Month, Safe Toys and Gifts Month, and it's also Art and Architecture Month. There are plenty more inside the downloadable. Now I want to talk to you about different contents, ideas, and themes that you can create your video content around. So you can do something around the 12 days of Christmas. You can talk about your favorite gift, either something that you've received or something that you've given to somebody else. You can do a video book review. You can do a product review. You can do an end of the year recap. And you can also do your New Year's predictions. You can talk about if you have a word of the year and why that's relevant to you and your business and to your audience. You can talk about different revelations you had over the last year's, lessons learned, wins, challenges. All of those things are relevant and a great opportunity to create content around that in the month of December. There are plenty more ideas where those came from, so make sure to grab your free downloadable. If you like this video, make sure to like it. And if you know somebody else who might like this video, make sure to share it up. And remember, you are someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.